Sun Life is a life insurance and investment company, and I'm very proud to be part of a company or even represent it because we're the very first life insurance company here in the Philippines. In fact, we've been doing this for 128 years already. We've partnered with Filipino families on simply promoting the concept of financial freedom. So why is it beneficial? Well, definitely all of us are inclined to have different needs for the future. However, because it's the future, we don't know what are those specific needs are. And sometimes it can actually give you anxiety if you don't know what to prepare for or how to simply start. Say for example, if you're a breadwinner, you might be worried about providing for your family if you're taken out of the picture. Or not really as drastic as that one, but for example, you get sick, you encounter an accident which will cause you to simply be off from work because you're unable to function the same thing. So Sun Life would actually be there to partner with a breadwinner to find solutions that whenever those things happen, you got sick, you got hospitalized, disabled, or again taken out of the picture, an income substitute that you used to provide for your family can be provided by Sun Life. So simply those worries about the future get to be addressed by our services here in Sun Life, and I would say that's really important. Talking about on a lighter note, because people might think insurance is actually about death, sickness. Well, insurance right now is seen as an investment, wherein the money you put in insurance actually grows over time. It actually gains interest than the usual being provided by the bank. I would say it's another avenue for a Filipino family to consider in terms of saving and growing their money and having the bank. And why would you actually consider that one? It's because for a Filipino, like me for example, if you're married or single, whatever your situation is, you have aspirations for the future like traveling abroad, education for your children, retirement, getting married for example, availing of a property. And these things actually would cost a certain amount, might be bigger than what's the price right now. So some would actually think baka wala ng pag-asa. They might actually be helpless because they have this usual thinking, I could only afford that if I just do the regular saving. Some people unfortunately is not aware of other means of saving or growing their money. But this is where Sun Life comes in. We educate people, wherein we can partner with a family or an individual talking about their dreams and starting baby steps or simple steps to save money and grow it so that in 5-10 years time they can avail of an quality education for their children, retirement after they simply get tired of work or whatever it is that they serve them, business capital, vacation, buying a property, those things on an investment concept on a brighter side.